We're going to talk about cleaning the condenser coil on the back of the machine. This should be done regularly, at least once a month. If you're in a dusty environment, for whatever the reason, more frequently, this is probably one of the simplest things that you can do, other than in most cases it's going to be back against the wall. So you're going to get the machine to where you can get to it. This screen that covers the condenser slides out. And all you need to do with this, once you get it out, is take it to your sink, get a sprayer and spray everything out. Wipe it down really well. Make sure if you hold it up to the light that you can see through it and that everything moves through. This one's already pretty clean. Then you're going to come and you're going to look at the fins on your condensers. You've got two condensers here, and just lightly, if there's dust that's gotten through this, you can take a paper towel, a cloth, and just wipe down. Even a little brush or little whisk broom, anything like that, to make sure that all of this is clear. You don't want to press. You might even be able to see that there's a couple of fins that something is pressed against. You don't want to press into these. That will halt the refrigeration. It won't be as efficient. So if you do have some dust that's gotten into these coils, there's a commercial condenser coil cleaner. You're going to check with your local refrigeration supply house. That is not something that we would supply here at Multiplex Beverage. Just check with your local refrigeration supply house. You can also use that. I've got a little spray bottle like this. You can also spray this down as well before you rinse it out in the sink. That will help, particularly if you've got an area where there's a lot of frying going on. You may get some grease and other things in that makes everything a little bit more sticky. So spraying it down with some kind of cleaner like this and then rinsing it off in the sink. And again, just you can go to your mop sink, you can go to your dish sink and just wash everything out, get good pressure. Again, make sure everything's clear here and there. And then once you're finished, you're just going to slide this back in place and you're done.